You fix your posture, you'll look taller and more confident with your body language. So first I'm going to show you how to analyze your posture to see how bad it is, then tell you the daily habits affecting your posture, and finally show you the best exercises you can do in your bedroom at home to fix your posture. Make sure to like and subscribe because I'm always making videos like this to help you out. And first, before doing anything, we need to self-assess our posture to see if it's actually bad or if it's fairly good. So here's what I want you to do. I want you to stand against a wall with your heels slightly off of it, but make sure your butt, your upper back, and your head is all touching the wall. Then I want you to slide your hand behind your lower back. There should be a slight curve that allows your hand to fit snugly. However, if there's too much space behind your lower back, you might have anterior pelvic tilt, which is an excessive arch in your lower back. And if it's the opposite, where there's not enough space behind your lower back, then you might have posterior pelvic tilt, which is basically having your lower back excessively flat. Now look at your head. If it's tilted forward or it's not touching the wall at all, you may have forward head posture. And if your shoulders aren't touching the wall, then you might have rounded shoulders. You can also analyze your posture effectively by using my app Critique AI. It's an AI confidence app that builds a tailored routine for you, has all these features to help you get in shape, but it also has a posture analysis feature. Simply stand in front of it, scan your posture, the AI will scan your posture and give you a full breakdown on your posture, including rating your posture, telling you what to improve, what's good about it. The app is called Critique AI. You might have heard me talk about it before, but it's my app. I'm super excited about it. And if you want to try it out, it's available in the App Store and Google Play Store. I'll put a link down below as well. Now, before showing you the exercises that will specifically help fix your posture, let's go over the daily habits that are causing bad posture, because it's super important to be aware of them. Number one, we all know about this, but we still all do it. It's looking down at your phone. Over time, this will cause forward head posture, rounded shoulders, a hunched neck. And in order to fix this, all you have to do is simply be aware of when you're looking down on your phone, raise your phone upwards, and make sure the angle is straight. Number two is slouching on a chair, whether you're on a desk doing work, you're at school, you're simply sitting on a chair. This causes rounded shoulders and a hunched back. So in order to fix this, you want to make sure to get up every 30 minutes, especially when you're working at a desk or on a chair for a long period of time. The second thing you can do is add a support on your lower back. For example, something like this. It simply goes on your chair and it helps support your lower back. Search up lower back support. You can find it on Amazon or anywhere. And number three, something I started doing and is super effective, is elevating your computer or your screen when you're doing work. Now you can do this by having a stand that elevates it on your desk. For example, you can see the stand I have right here elevating my screen, or even better, standing up when you're doing work on a computer. So you can do this by either getting a stand-up desk that raises. I have this one right here. As you can see, it raises and I can do my work standing up, or by simply taking your laptop and putting it on an elevated surface. This can be a kitchen counter, this can be a high table, doesn't matter, but anything that allows you to stand up when you're doing work on your computer instead of constantly sitting down. Now getting into the exercises you can do to fix your posture, and these are crazy good. Number one, for your hunched neck, sit at the edge of your bed with your arms extended by your side. You'll look like Jesus, or as if you're trying to give someone a big hug. But what you want to do is, while keeping your feet on the ground, lean back, hold it, then bring it back up, and do that for 3 sets of 10 seconds. I've been doing this every morning, especially when I'm stiff, and I find that throughout the day I just tend to stand up more upright. Number two, for your Donald Duck butt, you know, that arched lower back that you have, kneel down, tighten your core, lean forward to release the tight hip flexors, and do that for 3 sets of 10 seconds, and repeat on each side. And number three, for your rounded shoulders, this one is probably my favorite to do because it just feels so good. Lay on the ground with your hands behind you, raise your elbows, hold it, bring it back down, and repeat that for 3 sets of 8 reps. You want to do those 3 exercises 4 times a week. And if you prevent the habits I talked about while doing those exercises 4 times a week, you'll notice a significant improvement in your posture. And as a result of that, you'll look taller, you'll look more confident, and you'll feel better overall.